Cut the edges on all sides of the bread. Spread the fresh cream on one slice of bread. Put the another bread slice on top of it. Arrange the slices on the tray and set aside. On medium heat, milk 500 milliliters. Caramel powder 1 sachet. Stir continuously and bring it to boil. Pour the caramel milk onto the bread slices and cool down completely and refrigerate for 2 hours. Whipping powder 1 sachet. Cold milk 115 milliliters. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Evenly spread the whipped cream. Drizzle the caramel sauce on top. Swirl it out and refrigerate for 1 hour. Enjoy!